Hello everyone, welcome to the See More for Happy Life channel. The double half hitch knot is a very useful and versatile type of knot that can be used in macrame for securing ropes and in many other practical applications such as jewellery design, friendship bracelet weaving, home wall decoration. In this video I will do the left double half hitch knot and the right double half hitch knot. In order to make the process clearer, I prepared 4 3L and a thick string as one group, 1 for the axis and 3 for the winding. Left double half hitch knot. We use the light green string as the axis and the 3 purple string as the winding string. The light green string is positioned on the far right, and all 4 string are arranged and secured with clips. Hold the axis string as shown in the video, and remember the axis string should always be on top of the winding string. Place the winding string under the axis from the bottom and then pull it down to wind the wire. It is generally recommended to use the index finger of the left hand to hold the axis string on top and the winding string underneath. Wind the string around the anchor twice to form a double half hitch knot. Each time you wind the string, you must tighten both the axis and the winding string to ensure that the double half hitch knot is neat and beautiful. Make more rows, it will be clearer. Right double half hitch knot. Similar to the left double half hitch knot, we also use 4 strings, the dark green one as the axis string and the 3 light green ones as the winding strings. As shown in the video, the dark green string is on the far left and the 4 lines are secured with clips. Hold the axis string, and remember the axis string is always on top of the winding string. The winding string is placed under the axis from the bottom and then pulled down to wind the axis string, as shown in the video. It is generally recommended to use the index finger of the right hand, with the axis string on the index finger and the winding string underneath the index finger. Wind the string around the anchor twice to form a double half hitch knot. Each time you wind the string, you must tighten both the axis and the winding string to ensure that the double half hitch knot is neat and beautiful. Make more rows, it will be clearer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe and share to support me in making more great DIY videos.